Good morning. I literally just woke up. The sun is barely coming up. I am house sitting right now, but I do have to go to work. And then after work, I will be going to my own house and organizing and being productive today. We are all ready for the day. Good morning, honey. You ready to go out? Just makes me feel so at peace whenever I'm here. Oh, a Billy girl stuck in the net. Okay. Your head is stuck. There you go. Today's Bible verse of the day is from Psalms 121. My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. And I've been trying to read these daily affirmations, which is really just Bible verses to remind us of who we are. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalm 118:64. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I am now finally back home after work. I need to clean my room. My room is rarely a mess, but because I was house sitting, I also took all of my bed sheets and decided to do laundry there. So now I need to put my room back together. So these are snail noodles. The snail is actually a whelk. It's kind of very similar to escargot. Would you be open to trying it? I'm watching Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha and it is just a very feel-good drama. I want to spill the tea. Tell you guys something I haven't told anyone. The only person I told was my boyfriend, but after him, I didn't tell anybody else. So I'm about to tell thousands of people, but actually I have been feeling pretty down lately. So a month ago, I ended up getting dropped from this partnership that I had with this brand. There are so many bigger problems in this world, and there are so many other things that could be way worse. But a month ago, this brand company decided to drop me because they were saying my viewers are not engaging with my sponsorships or collabs. And just hearing that, you know, I don't blame my viewers or my subscribers, I blame myself. And I just feel like they were basically telling me you're not enough, your content's not good enough. And that's not what they meant by that, but that's the message that I was telling myself. And I think that just kind of goes to show what kind of mental space I'm in. That's the immediate response that I have. I'm not enough, or I'm not doing enough. But I feel like I do a lot. But everybody does a lot. And so I guess it took me a moment to think, of course I'm going to get rejected. Of course people are going to say no to me, or they're not going to like something that I do, and that's okay because I know why I do what I do. So that was a month ago, and it took me some time to process it. And then thereafter, I had 2 instances where I was talking to a brand, and one brand offered me X amount of money, and then later they came back to me and told me they decided to go with someone else to give them this amount of money, and then they'll just give me this amount. And I think to be explicitly compared like that, it's not even about the money for me. For me as a perfectionist and as someone who wants to always do their best, I felt like they were telling me your best is not good enough. And then again, this happened with another brand. And so a brand collaboration is a big part of YouTubers. They have ads on their videos. Not every YouTuber. It has really allowed me to work with some really cool companies. For me, when I choose a brand, I always make sure I'm choosing a brand that I would actually use or that I already use and I already pay money into. For example, I have a Princess Polly collab coming up, and that is a company that I already buy from all the time before they even sponsored me. It's like, of course I will, because I already like this brand. But that has really gotten me down. This idea of comparing with other YouTubers and then brands basically telling me I'm not good enough. But I will be good enough. I will show them that I will make good content. And I was watching Michelle Choi, who is another YouTuber, and I think her videos are awesome. They're so great. And in one of her videos, she talked about how one of her biggest fears is that her followers are just going to stop watching her and they're just gonna one day just all disappear and forget about her. That is a fear that I have too. And I looked into this, and actually a lot of YouTubers, their number one fear is that their viewers are going to disappear and move on to someone else. That's a lot of pressure to put on myself, and I think it's something that people don't really think about. I'm very thankful that I get to have this platform, and it has helped my family in more ways than one. It has helped me stay sane and also be creative, but there's also really hard parts of it too. So if you've made it this far into my video, just thank you for being here. Even though I'm talking to a camera, I'm truly envisioning the thousands of you who engage with my content, and you're from all over the world, and I think that's really cool. It is 6:50 in the morning. I was going to head out the door, and I realized I forgot to book my class. So I'm just drink caffeine, but if I am drinking caffeine, it's usually matcha. Cheers. The cinnamon really helps bring out the flavor. It's time for me to go to work again. I can't believe we spend so much of our lives going to school or work. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. I really hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. I want to do them more often so you can really see my life in a very authentic way. Bye.
But remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything.